And this is here no ade no akwa koduru se kokwa akuafo no besu mu aties mountains ye kire omu ye demonstration den tintes kokko de kire aban no nenye omu kwa nurses for so ye demonstration omu ni teachers omu teachers omu so akire ade afini mu nyina omu twa omu staff ID no mu de nyuma katua aban no be se ode be ebe ma wo mu omu so abeka omu nsem mema ntremu no akire wadwen amame e wo comment section ha yi Penyah Brook Media mesro say ni di obe like video no that one put subscribe button and click the notification icon for latest update can better wa dweda ba me e wo comment section so ba so no share for anya bi ahwe so enyina ni made a etwa gu Ghana ha no mo nyina fa kokko akuafo no ene NDC government no mu nsensem no abra a yese yabeti kokko price so per bag omu che say world market price na eso ate ora say etuna hu hia se ne yenti kokko ebo no so omu defense na say go for the time no a week no zen kan the time otimi to kokko bag 65 million. And there be a question and mimi busa ne say Sengaku for the Tokoko bag 65 million. And I'm over to say born that 65 million anchor. Now no be any day. Come by then I found. That's my first question. Now my second question is me busa ne say 2025 I'm better now kunyaso. Man can be bia say previous appointees and as the previous government no or ma Asem cocoa board. Man can share even that time. You were able to increase cocoa bag per price from 3,100 to 3,600. Man complaining, man cashe, munya sika eto cocoa. The year of 2025. Abra man kwaje boy. Mean said there were money. The nesika wo ho at cocoa board nesika wo ho no mo. Man cashe, but now ebu aka musimu no. Afa na mudi defense bi ba say ku for aban na sell. As if say 2026 na riba tena kunya. Me wa matena kunya so 1 year nie. Matena konya no so 1 year. Moto cocoa 1 year. Atu cocoa bag mu nyina 1 year. Na after 1 year no, wo koshia crisis ya. Alfe na obeka kire ye say, you rolling back to the previous government. What are you telling us? Then I'm okay. And say we pa am okay. Most of them say be munya botre adwene hu ye de. Most of them okay munya botre exam 7 am ka no. Mo betena konya so 1 year. Moto cocoa bag, munya sika to cocoa, man complaining. Sembenes can no tinye sika to cocoa 205 munya sika to cocoa. Munya sika. Musa accurate me to a cocoa bag buomu. Those February mu na world market e go ton one yenya no 30 yenya no 10,000 equal 11,000 but mo ntimi antum by 70%. Mo de coins bi na kaya kan ho e normal. 200 ba munya sika timi to two bag mu nyina man complain say e kada ho ntimi yentimi to cocoa bag mutum mu. But now makohia nkwanhia a wose mote so no afen na mo refer to MPP say MPP abeja car to cocoa board. MPP they mismanage the cocoa board. There's some kind of ho there. Mo you say mo ka ho. 81 year nyina no mo hu error. The whole of last year 1 year full year nyina mo hu error. Don't say February mu ana mo hu error. Say I don't get it. Say this is some difference mo make no. Ebi nshara nto asomu sa. Ebi nto asomu. And me kwa me kai say honorable Asem Ketia 2016 to be we ya Akufo da ebeja konya no. O ka kire Akufo da say chairman unim amane ana Ghana namu ana wo se ubetimi age yemfo oman no na betimi abu man no to man na obetena so yempe story emeka se china na previous government omu ase ho na oma ye say Asem Ketia ma Akufo the warning
about whatever it is. I'm not interested in arguing about the correctness or otherwise of statistics. The bottom line is that whatever terms you describe this economy, you were fully aware of its state before making your promises. So I hope you will not use these statistics to form the basis of justifying when or why he's not going to be able to implement the promises. We will hold him to his.
When it comes to this NDC with John Mahama as their leader, they never stop shaking blame. 2015, there was a contract to be announced say this can be a year never be. The musicano NDC government led by Mahama etablish can be educated to cast. Wasn't be deja Ghana had serious scandal. And wasn't be deja. Because of that, no USA news media be a hard of his excellence Mahama say na omunju twena no. It will no question say a year day na sika oman no ehia se de enema we no o de ko to cast His Excellency defense will make it, say no kind.
The public finances in Ghana, because this is a huge concern among people in your country, corruption in the economy. Your own Auditor General revealed that in the last year, $1.7 million, which had been earmarked to bring power to local communities, had been spent on 38 luxury cars. How could this happen?
It's supposed to have been a program that was financed by the USXM. And as part of the program, there was provision for vehicles, for monitoring and evaluation, for project vehicles. And so those vehicles were supplied as part of the project. And
the Auditor General didn't approve of this transaction. He said there was no permission for it. It wasn't part.
It was a project that had begun from the previous government.
As a honomono, na o say shaky blame or trust or no, and you yes, that contract or babetoye. Na the previous government. Na minim previous government quite that time. His Excellency Mahama no work was that time because previous government you just heard from Atamils. Atamils. And I would say Akunya baton free in some Atamils gratis war. Now His Excellency, on vice president. It's all as a contract, and you have no hands in it. Now, a previous government now, as since MP Penyah na beja Akunya. No, one year Tamils. And I'm what it means this group they never stop shaking blame. Bibi koye dia woma, and koye dia previous government. Forgetting say even the previous government, Oma party, they don't care. A previous government. I maintain this for us. Maintain this for us. That was ya. Cocoa and Seminole, the one more deja, a phone is so much reset. And someone is excellency, Bosch or Chill Munyanano, your bell, your mamma way, you better have money in school, you better have mamma free, yet Cocoa for Moko Hospital, you better free, you better have mamma and 7 million I have fragadam. And no, and then Yawada, a queer 40 in our coma boys on the Omaya Cherokee, see a power Ghana mountains on any easy.
If you are also presented, the deal when you say you have for the Rubia goes to the goes to the big goes to the percentage now can when you blow say 1 + 1, then say 2. What can you 16 million, now 17 million. And you did the promoting the mouth. The diet for promoting them all be all gadgets and now can present it. If you are the country and come when you be a Marcia, you're one of
me cocoa sika na ose me de hwe me ma a wate cocoa yi si se ehin na me kofa sika na me fa hwe me mai ehin na me kofa sika na me fa hwe me mai se we be di kwa ayade me di me cocoa me ni me se me de ka nti me di me cocoa akoma kuani ai first crachi crachi cocoa me ni se no kwa kwaje me sika e bi na me kwaje me sika no oka che me so ni sika I was what you just say about the man is sika nti ye de wa twenye mu aye twen say ya aban ebema sika ya so akwani sika me ko ya crachi ni ka kire me se cocoa no aban ateso nti wa ateso dia na me cocoa na me de ba ya no won tua sa ma me na ye se so me so ma kwaje bi sia de me ba to school no a cocoa no won tua sa e ma me no ehin na me so me kwa bi sia na me fa tua cocoa no adin wa anye ni ye kra wa muye say ba kokra what ye kokko say ya to ye kokko ya dia ye budget awie say obi anyim say bia me de media ko ye say me de bi ko tua me best bi ko ha me dai say ya wa tete so no e be ya de na ya nya sky ya ne o say de ye iti abani ya ni ye o pass papa bi no kan say asama wa kan say ya no akua forward atam wa kan sama ancestor ya kan say akuafo ana aban aka kire ya no ya pa na chaw asam na wa ka no be pa ya chaw no ntwensan ya sadi bebre na kuafo ye ti ya o kwa striking ti ya sama ya ka kire aban ti a wo ya sa no ya sra no ya pa na
right ya ka say ya pa chaw amamu anya sa na ebu no because akofo ado pe su disi kwakwaje obosi aso su tua kuafo ne ka na nkwa de wo ya incompetent ana What you say? The issue I say you Penny, Cocoa Penny, not some more Cocoa Penny, I'll bet you media for you. That's more better, or best abino, the net, the Bania Bania Besra, but Sadio Apostle, mean you been see that were baby. It is a trap, the bedroom baby, maybe. You see a people go so that. Cocoa, yes, sir, and finance your chiba and moi a piafo, no multimina bibi. It will have crop at an in annual. Cocoa and a one guaranteed price. It is a weird year now, which we found no Nakato. And your mamma, your papa, moi, yes, sir. Then, dear, who are was sick, or promised to almost over 6,000. Nanya kise 6,000 no grandma. Who the poor order than no grano, farmer war way. I figure you won't want that no grano. What's our quacotiso? Minia, we are needing 3,600 no grano. Nabra what is saying. We are needing no damn who they know one be afraid. Oh, my brother, what is saying? No one's so. Minia will grab your way more. You're 2,000 Ghana City. A big deal. It's a big deal. Every hour, who won't cry. It will be said, 1,000 Ghana City, the you free in Sikaswa, and Yashi. I mean, your mamma can be intro. Oh, my, yeah, young Sefwi or bank work around. I bind it to be Pessica, not your court, Shabank, Kenya Baya, or Mukosi or Musica or no, and she woman. Yet me have my bank for the I didn't know Cocoa Penina, one cry insurance, one cry Senate, one young Jahe Mano, the answer will put out from Robeniano Apoto Mano. The word market price are for one. Young Professor Kennedy, near Fanche Musutu Emano, send your bayan who crab at John Walk. Now, for fact, there, market price are from the Tanzanian name, the book Pianinoa, or my Piania Mobo, and then maybe I am a show of Missy Asem Baby. As it Yabayan said, and then Yabes John Mahama, or no Nabibiano Abedin and Sat, see a panicho, or share. The Cocoa board around the Abenun went to me near Jumanwa, £1 of free work. It's a pricey and 50 per coupe and a bar 4,100 or 200. No, there were 9,000, there were 8,000, there were 7,000. It's just hard time in our north or your day. There's no one Cocoa marketing manager no more. We've been talking the new Sefwi Asem so Sefwi you also on no one suffer because of Obi or no Obi airport. John Mahama, where they are going to sell. That is a also say, we are the Ninibi, now we do the Cocoa. John Mahama, who go the Nia, who you know, who are here, they do better to play more public. What you say? John Mahama won't tell won't feel like bed. Utop petrol car, would the car, and the annual baby eye, the brown, would the air condition, would the lamp with them. It will be a Nina, you know. And Bobo would say, I will also have two different things. It is a show baby, it's a power show for music.
Now, on that same story, and nurses for any teachers for 1 year, you might have finished now. O market to my because Umunya staff ID number. My na buso almost esu na enano almost aye chere ama we su ne semwa almost kan de chere aban no.
I've rented, I've been paying bills, that is like the water bill. I just don't know what to do again. I'm tired. What we need now is our staff fighting. The minister should listen to us and hear our cry. Be working, even just common call credit. You need to call, you need to beg for common core credits. Sometimes you have to starve to go to class and teach. How can one teach with hunger?
Go sit down!
Perfect.
I've been ready this out, bro. I'll just be walking that yard. Fam. Oh, Jesus, right. Oh my God. No, I'm telling you, I'm silly, bro. I'm silly.
That's so fucking funny.
Should I watch your mommy? I will comment session. I have a Penyah Block Media.